Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this really pretty Cottagecore Grapevine moon wreath. So if you'd like to see how I make it, then please keep watching. I will be using this 20-inch grapevine wreath I got on clearance from Walmart. First, I'm going to be cutting the wreath into a crescent shape. By determining where I need to cut, I'm taking some painter's tape and wrapping it around the wreath to mark it. The tape helps hold everything in place as I'm cutting. I started off by using these metal shears, but they didn't work very well, so I switched to my wire cutters to cut the wreath. It was a little bit difficult, but I did manage to get the section cut out. Now I'm going to take some floral wire from Dollar Tree and wrap the ends of the wreath to hold everything together. Next, I'm going to be using various greenery and floral from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and I may use some of these foam mushrooms from Dollar Tree, also some reindeer moss from Dollar Tree, and I may use the faux moss stones also from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to start arranging the greenery and the floral how I want them and glue them in using hot glue. I start with a large flower as the focal piece, then I just start adding the greenery and the floral. I didn't film me adding the flowers to the entire wreath because that would just take too long and we would be here all day. So just to save some time, I figured that I would just film part of it because I'm sure you guys get the gist of what I'm doing here. So basically, I'm just making sure that what I do to the bottom of the wreath, I mirror that to the top of the wreath so that there is a nice balance of floral and greeneries. Here's how it's looking so far. I may go in and add more flowers later. Now I'm going to start adding the moss to the bottom inside part of the wreath. I only put the moss on the bottom half, but you can add it all through the wreath if you want. I'm going to take some of this jute twine and wrap the ends of the wreath where I've wrapped it with wire just to cover the wire, and because I thought it would give the wreath a nice touch instead of having that black wire showing. I was going to use the large foam mushrooms from Dollar Tree, but I didn't like the way it looked. So I decided to use some of the mushrooms from the Fairy Garden line at Dollar Tree instead. Now these are made of clay, so they are a bit heavier, so I used quite a bit of hot glue and made sure the glue was set up before I moved on. Lastly, I'm going to add a hanger to the wreath. Now, I know I should have done this before I started adding the florals and the greenery, but I forgot, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I'm just running a piece of floral wire through the top of the wreath and then tying it on, forming a loop, and then cutting off the remaining wire. And here's how the wreath turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!